All right, here's number 8 on the substitution side of the review. Okay, in this case, we do need to isolate a variable. They didn't give one for us there. So in this case, I would definitely pick x right here. Of all these variables, this is the one that's already a single variable. And because of that, it'll just take one step, which is, let's get rid of this minus 2y. So I add 2y to both sides. I get x isolated, and I get 11 plus 2y on the other side. That becomes my substitution equation, and that means that this equation up here, the one we haven't even touched yet, that's our main equation. All right, so I'm going to copy that guy down here. Main equation is negative 7 times blank minus 2y equals negative 13. I'm just recopying this guy up here. And I'm going to make my swap. I took out x. I'm going to replace it with 11 plus 2y. All right, simplify and solve. Distributive property. We get that. Got some like terms here. So we'll get negative 16y. Add 77 to both sides. We get negative 16y equals, let's see, that'd be 64. Divide both sides by negative 16, and y turns out to be negative 4. Okay, so there's half my answer there. I go back up here, and like we talked about, of all the original equations, the main equation, this other one, and then our modified one, which we turned into our substitution equation, this is the one you want to plug it into. Okay, and you can plug it into all three, but this is the one that's going to be the least amount of work. So if I do this, x equals 11 plus 2 times blank, and we took out y for the blank. We're going to put in negative 4. And so you can see how it is really the least amount of work here. It's just 11. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. And we're done. Okay. So our answer, our solution to the system is 3, negative 4.